again. How are you all? Be silent and listen. Today we'll learn about Halifax.
Going to learn about.
He will help the patient. Policeman, he'll keep us safe. Carpenter, he'll make furniture. Farmer, he'll grow food for us. Teacher, she'll help the students to learn. I'm a teacher. I'm proud of myself. I love my profession. I love thinking about my students' future. What I'll get into this. Only respect and support from the students. The class is over. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.